The other similar method here, and this is a list method, by the way, not a string method or a general function, but list.count, if you give it a value, it will count how many times something appears in a list. So if I have a list where I have a repeat of words and I want to find out how many times that's there, I could go AR words count is, let's print that out. Okay, and it gives me 2. And then if I look for something that's not there, it will tell me 0. So I can find out how many of a specific word are in a string. Now, be careful, because watch what happens. I see your hand back there. I'll ask you in just a second. If I have a capital here, note that it does not find that because it's not an exact match. So this is case sensitive. So if you're processing text, what you might want to do is make everything lowercase if you're looking for that kind of a match or something like that. Yes, sir. Oh, okay. So there's some things to consider there, but no, just make sure you know that an uppercase and a lowercase are different when it comes to some of these things like find and count